Okay guys, there is this topic that has been trending online and it has misled a lot of persons. What is the real truth behind passive income? I see a lot of persons saying, oh, I am this passive income guy, I make money passively, I don't work, I don't do this, I don't do that. So this video will expose you the real truth behind passive income. And the first thing that I want you to note is, number one, nothing is 100% passive. You see, when you go to YouTube right now, you type for passive income, you see a lot of persons promising you that if you invest in social company, invest in social stock, or you do social business, you are going to be making money passively. I tell you sincerely, nothing is 100% passive. When I joined network marketing years back, my mindset was I will just build a team of thousands of persons, and when I build these people, they will be working, and I will be in my room sleeping, and money will be coming in. When I joined after 2 years, I realized even for every status in life, you have to maintain it. Every status that you have, every income, you have to maintain it. Think about this. Why do billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, why do these people still work? Like, these people show up every day in their company. If not every day, but at least they show up time to time or every week in their company. Not because they don't have the money. They have a lot of things that other persons might be praying for in terms of money, in terms of the cars, the houses, and a lot more. But the answer is, as a billionaire, as a millionaire, as a thousandaire, whatever near that you have to understand that every status in life, you need to maintain it. So even if your income is passive, for you to keep that passive momentum, like to keep the growth of your income, you have to keep maintaining it. So with this, I have realized that nothing is 100% passive. All right? So that's just it. All right? And secondly, I want you to change your mindset towards passive income, passive income, passive income. You see, when people say the word passive income, this is what comes to their brain. You know, I just want to be on a vacation, you know, sitting under a sun, beside the beach, you know, with a lot of fine babes around me, with 20 bottles of NSC. This is the kind of things that comes to people's head. I just want to be sleeping, you know, be on my bed and money is coming in. But the truth is, you still have to work. Even if you are a billionaire, you still have to work. So it is left to you to say, maybe you want to look for a passive income or you want to look for an active income. But regardless, I want you to know that you still have to work. All right? And lastly, I want you to know that you don't look for a passive income when you don't have an active income. This is because a lot of things that are passive, they need you, they need your money. You see, there are many types of currency. Is it that you have time, you have money, or you have the strength? So in some cases, some people who are freelancers, you know, you use your time to get the money that you want. But as time goes on, whereby you have the money, you are going to use your money to buy the time that you want. All right? So you don't have money, then why are you looking for passive income? So leave passive income alone. Focus on cash flow. Focus on increasing your income, your active income. When you have consistent cash flow, that's when you can be thinking of passive income, maybe via an investment or the rest. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And more importantly, remember that nothing is 100% passive.